Hi, welcome to my kitchen in Seoul, Korea. I'm Haeyeon. I'm a mom of two, and one of them is already in college, which means I've been cooking for quite a long time, and I thought it's about time to share all my Korean home cooking recipes with you. Today, I'm gonna make japchae, and this is my mom's recipe. Japchae is a traditional Korean party dish made with clear noodles, vegetables, and meat. But I like to make my japchae without meat. Also without sugar, which makes a very healthy vegan dish. Now, let's take a look at the ingredients. It's pretty simple. 50 grams of almost everything. We need clear noodles called dangmyeon. And today, we're going to make a dish for 1 to 2, so we need about 50 grams of dangmyeon. For the mushrooms, I got oyster mushrooms, but you can get any type of mushrooms. Be creative. For the carrot, cut it into thin strips. Also, cut the onion into thin strips. We need minced garlic. Blanch the spinach briefly, trying not to overcook it, and then drain the water and let it cool. Cook the noodles in boiling water for 7 minutes. Drain the water and rinse them lightly, keeping the warmth. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and a little oil and mix it. Now let's cook the veggies. Put some oil and garlic in the pan, and then put the mushrooms and stir fry. Don't forget to season it with salt. Next, we have onion. Stir fry again, seasoning with salt. And then carrot, seasoned with salt. Now the spinach. After it's cooled, just slightly squeeze the water out and season it with soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and sesame oil. Gather all the cooked vegetables on top of the prepared noodles. Drizzle some sesame oil. Sprinkle generous amount of sesame seeds and mix, mix, mix. You can taste it a little and add additional soy sauce or salt if you need to. Now let's move this into a plate. Drizzle some sesame oil and sprinkle even more sesame seeds. Looks so good. Finally, it's time to try my japchae. Look at this. 잘 먹겠습니다. 너무 맛있어요. So good.